friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell's slim new Inspiron Small Desktop PC. So friend, Dell Technologies has launched its new Inspiron Small Desktop PC, which is equipped with the latest 13th generation Intel Core processor, and it comes with a compact housing that measures 92.6 mm wide, 292.8 mm deep, and 290 mm high. And the base model of the PC include a Core i3 13100 CPU, DDR4 3200, 8GB memory, 256GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, and three loading slim DVD drive. And additionally, the desktop PC is equipped with wired LAN, IEEE 802.11 AC wired LAN, and Bluetooth. And the PC is pre-installed with Windows 11 Home and comes with a Dell wired keyboard and Dell optical mouse. And the price of the new Inspiron Small Desktop PC is 570 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.